Shrimp. One of the most versatile ingredients out there, and today, we're going to elevate it to a whole new level with a dish that's not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, our creamy shrimp curry. This curry is a game changer, folks. It's a perfect blend of flavors, textures, and healthy goodness all in one bowl. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to make. When it comes to seafood, many of us struggle to find healthy and tasty meal options. We're always on the lookout for recipes that are quick, easy, and won't break the bank. But more often than not, we end up sacrificing flavor for nutrition or vice versa. That's exactly why I'm excited to share this creamy shrimp curry recipe with you. It's a dish that checks all the right boxes, it's healthy, it's delicious, and it's easy on the wallet. We've all been there, scouring the internet for healthy recipes, only to end up with a dish that's bland and boring. Or, we find a recipe that sounds amazing, but it requires exotic ingredients and complicated cooking techniques. But today, we're going to change that. This creamy shrimp curry recipe is a breath of fresh air. It's a simple, flavorful, and nutritious dish that's perfect for any night of the week. So, what makes this curry so special? For starters, it's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. The shrimp provides a boost of omega-3 fatty acids, while the vegetables add a good dose of vitamins and minerals. And let's not forget about the spices. They're not only delicious, but they also have amazing health benefits. Moving on to the ingredients, you'll need a few pantry staples, some fresh veggies, and of course, some juicy shrimp. We've got onions, garlic, ginger, coconut oil, curry powder, turmeric, cumin, coriander, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. For the veggies, we've got bell peppers, carrots, and potatoes. And finally, we've got some coconut milk and Greek yogurt for creaminess. First, let's start by sautéing the onions, garlic, and ginger in coconut oil. This will give our curry a deep, rich flavor. Once they're soft and fragrant, we'll add in the spices and cook for another minute. Then, we'll add in the veggies and cook until they're tender. Next, we'll add in the shrimp and cook until they're pink and juicy. And finally, we'll add in the coconut milk and Greek yogurt, and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. As we cook, the aroma of the spices and the veggies will fill the kitchen, and the flavors will meld together beautifully. It's a truly magical process, and I know you'll love it just as much as I do. Making this creamy shrimp curry is a breeze. Simply sauté the onions, garlic, and ginger, add in the spices and veggies, cook the shrimp, and finally, add in the coconut milk and Greek yogurt. And that's it, you'll have a delicious, healthy, and nutritious dish that's perfect for any night of the week. So, go ahead, give this recipe a try, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.